welcome back to another video. I want to officially introduce a Brembo, the wiener dog. We just got him last night.
Hey, puppy.
I did wake up Marissa like at what, 6? You can tell by her face. If you guys remember, I was doing the R1 Concepts, rotors, pads, and all that stuff on the Evo. Main plan is basically to go to the house, go to the Evo, put the last Brembo on, bleed the brakes, put the VR4 wheels on it for now, and then head out to LA. Brembo is going to be the official car dog of the channel. We were thinking of a bunch of names, but Brembo just came to us like naturally, huh? I mean, I was working on Brembos all day yesterday, and she got the dog, so I guess it kind of goes. So here he is. Oh! Chop him. Alright, so let's put this last Brembo on, bleed the brakes, start the car, get off jack stands, get the wheels off the VR4 because we need these, and let's get going. Somewhat. What time is it?
Time for you to get a watch.
Irritated.
You don't look very cute when you're angry.
We're late. And we still have to rinse off the car because it's been sitting here for a long time. Pretty upset at the fact that I never have the time to properly wash my cars in time for a show. I forgot how hard it was to drive this car with a twin jet setup. Oh damn, it's so like, I don't know, it's like race car vibes. Damn, these are like the houses in LA. They look so different from what I'm used to too. Hello. So cute.
I have to pee so bad. Hi, Papas.
Shoot, it's an uphill. We just got it yesterday. Yeah. R1? Yeah.
Hold it right there, bro. Let these 3 cars go by real quick. Go, go, go. Let's go.
Ah.
Everybody get in there.
That's clean. It is Brembo's first official car show. It's not really liking it, but oh, nice, a Charger, Suki, 240, 240 S2K. Thing slammed. I like the color on this MR2. Yeah. Oh, this is a nice blue.
It's like a iridescent.
Oh yeah, it has like a Like a pro to it, huh?
Told you, come back with mommy.
You keep getting stopped because of this guy.
I know.
NTO3 gang. Curb ash like me. Is that LEWRX?
Oh my god, is that Ellie? I'm pretty sure she gets that all.
Never go wrong with the FD. Damn, it even says RX-7 on the light. Damn. Carbon seats. Got the Evo. What is going on? Oh, it's like a Sentra.
What the hell?
Yeah, it's a Sentra. I just noticed that. That's crazy.
You get an up pipe instead.
Bruh.
Put this O2 sensor right there.
This is cool. Where?
Someone throw your cat. I'm sorry to
Whose man's is killing this germ engine? Got the Z's. How do you feel about Z's?
I like them.
You like them? It's so nice when people modify exotics like this. BBS wheels. Look at the tint. Look at the windshield.
I like that. It matches the wheel.
Yeah, that's kind of cool. That color is way too bright. This though.
Have the puppy.
I'm trying to show the Genesis. It's actually kind of cool.
Wow. So the puppy's not good.
Of course the puppy matters, but damn. Got the work wheels. Okay. Of course we got the Supras. I like the color on this FD right here.
So that's cool.
Oh, Bulbasaur. This thing is gnarly. Damn. I think they're doing some type of limbo contest.
Oh, Gary's in there. Oh, all right. Air out. Air out. That's it? Oh, so far so good. Is he out? No, bro. For real? Yeah? Is he amazing? Wow, all right. Oh, you got two? 2, 3. Back up. Let him through. That's the hood exit, right? Yes, it is. I feel like this is about to 3.
Alright, so my camera is running out of battery and I wanted an outro. Unfortunately, I'm not able to get you the rest of the two-step videos, but they are pretty loud. I wanted to take the Evo, but we do have Brembo here and I don't want to scare him in the car with all those things popping. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned because Brembo is officially part of the channel. He is the channel dog. We're pretty happy about it. Anyways, let me know what you guys thought. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.